Hey guys, Mitch from Redwater Dodge here. Here's an important question for anyone using their Ram as a work truck. What is the proper severe duty service schedule if you're running a Ram in Alberta conditions? A lot of people follow the normal maintenance schedule, but the reality is many work trucks actually fall into the severe duty category. So what counts as severe duty? Things like frequent towing, lots of idling, short trips in cold weather, dusty or gravel roads, and heavy loads. If your truck sees job sites, winter starts, and long idle times, there's a good chance it qualifies. One thing that really affects maintenance is idling. When the engine is idling, it is still running hours, but the odometer isn't moving. That means oil breaks down faster than the mileage suggests, so oil changes often need to happen sooner than the standard interval. Towing also shortens fluid life, especially in the transmission and differentials. Pulling heavy loads build heat, and heat is what breaks down fluids over time. That's why many work trucks benefit from shorter service intervals, things like more frequent oil changes, transmission fluid services, and differential fluid changes, especially if the truck tows regularly. And about those lifetime fluids you sometimes hear about, technically they can last a long time under ideal conditions. But in real-world Alberta use with cold weather, towing, and job sites, that rarely stays healthy for the life of the truck without maintenance. So if your Ram works hard, and it's worth treating it like a severe duty vehicle, not a commuter truck. If you have any questions, give us a call at 780-942-3629.